So this is another example that is in your homework. And again, if you notice, we are not able to directly count the radius to any specific point on the outside of the circle. Therefore, we have to use the distance formula. Or in this case, if it's graphed, we can also use the Pythagorean theorem. If you remember, that is related to the distance formula. So what we're going to do first is we're going to count horizontally how many times we go to the next unit. So 1, 2, 3. And then up, 1, 2. So we have a triangle with sides 2 and 3, and we need to find the hypotenuse. So we're going to have 3 squared plus 2 squared is equal to c squared. That's 9 plus 4, which added together is 13. And then we're going to find the square root of both sides. So c is equal to the square root of 13. And c also stands for our radius. So using the center, we're going to write our equation, which should be x minus 6 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to the square root of 13 squared. And remember that the square root of 13 squared will cancel out. So our final answer should be written like this: x minus 6 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 13. So again, we can use the Pythagorean theorem, or we can just use the distance formula, whichever way you prefer.